I can't believe that, man. Straight down.
Look at this. This was Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's gone. Man, good to see y'all, man. Dude, man. Look at this. It was a Kentucky Fried Chicken. And it has been destroyed. Look at this. Look at this huge pole. The power of this storm just fell into it. This Kentucky Fried Chicken destroyed it. Look at this. This is real life. People out here distorted. I'm talking about depleted. This place is just destroyed. Look like something off a horror movie. I've never seen a movie that compares to this. Look at this. This real. It's real. These cars, they stand a chance. Look at that.
What's up, man? What's going on?
This site I'm showing you now, this was a police station here. This was a police station. Look at it. Storm just ripped it apart. Look at this.
I thought they said they chose the police station.
This is the police station. Destroyed it.
Oh, Philip still there. He's gonna wake you up, man. Won't let wake you up.
This was a, look at this. Look at this huge pole. Just ripped apart. Look at it. This huge pole. This was a huge apartment complex out here. Look, Graceland. This was Graceland. And now this is what left of it. Right here, what I'm showing you. This is what left of it. Look at these cars. I'm showing you the devastating power of this wind, of this tornado. This thing ripped through Tuscaloosa. It came through us. It came straight at us in Tuscaloosa.
It didn't even touch that car.
Look at this.
It didn't even touch it. Just dirty it up.
Huge apartment complex. Huge. Huge. Man, this area was very populated. These apartment complexes, and this is what left of it. It's the aftermath right here. Look at this. Look at these apartment complexes. Look at these apartment complexes. It's just gone. Destroyed. Look at this.
We didn't go in there?
People live here, y'all. It's real life. Look at the top part of this apartment complex. It's gone.
Come back to Daddy.
You down there, Helen Keller?
Mom.
How you doing?
All right.
How you doing, man? Look at this.
Because it's unsanitary.
What happened?
Said it was some folks had pulled in. It was like 4 or 5 people.
Oh, he gotta jump out the car.
Hey y'all, send help. We need your help. We really do. Oh Lord. We need your help.
No,
Look at the top part of this apartment complex. It ripped apart. The top part is gone. Showing you this F-150 right here. Look at this. Just been crushed by this massive tornado. It's the F-150. Look at these vehicles right here. These vehicles just look like savage, just savage cars, just strapped. Look at this. Look at these vehicles, man. Just look like a junkyard right now. Look at this.
So many. That's the lady over there.